Today we are going to learn about the comparison test of series. Let's start with the statement of comparison test of series. Suppose summation an and summation bn are the series of positive terms. That is, an is greater than or equal to 0 and bn is strictly greater than 0. For that, we define a limit an upon bn as n tends to infinity. If we get the value of this limit is c and c is positive and finite, then either both the series convergent or both are divergent. Before move on the example, we know that helping test. The series summation 1 over n raised to p is convergent if the value of p is greater than 1, and this series is divergent if the value of p is less than or equal to 1. Now move on to our example. The given series summation an is equal to summation n reading from 1 to infinity 1 over 2n minus 1. For that, we have to check this series is convergent or divergent by using comparison test. For that, we have to choose the helping series summation bn is equal to summation 1 over n. Here, the value of en is equal to 1 over 2n minus 1 and the value of bn is equal to 1 over n. Now, we calculate the limit n tends to infinity en over bn. After calculating this limit, the value of this limit is 1 by 2, which is finite and positive. Now we decide the given series is divergent or convergent by using our choosing series. And in our case, the choosing series is summation 1 over n. But we know that by helping test, summation 1 over n is divergent because the value of p is 1. And we also know that this series is harmonic series. Hence, if this series is divergent, then given series is also divergent. Hence, by the comparison test, the given series is divergent. In that case, the main problem is how to choose the series bn. Let's start with this series. Summation an is equal to summation 1 over 2n minus 1. The numerator of n is 1. That is 1 written as n raised to 0 equal to 1. So the power of n is 0. Now for the denominator of n is 2n minus 1. In that case, the power of n is 1. Now, take the difference of the denominator power and numerator power of n. That is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So, we choose the series. Summation bn is equal to summation 1 over n. Example 1c. That is, in that case, the power of n is 1. Similarly, if the difference of denominator power and numerator power of n is 2, then choose the series summation 1 over n raised to 2. Thank you.